How to block calls in your iPhone. Let's see how it's done in this video. Click the contact phone icon in your iPhone. Next, select the contact you want to block. And from the contact information screen, click block caller tab. And again, confirm clicking block contact. And done, any call from this contact number will be blocked. Second method, click settings icon to enter the iPhone settings section. Next, scroll down the screen and click apps tab. And in this screen, click phone tab to enter contacts list. And in this screen, you need to click block contacts. Here, you can see the contact number I blocked just a few seconds back. To block contacts, we need to click add new. And select the contact want to block from the contact list screen, like this. And done, you can see this contact has also been blocked in iPhone. With this we come to the end of this video. Like, comment, share my videos, and subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon to get updates when new contact is done.